It all just kind of happened.
My dad was an irresponsible scientist.
I wanted an after-school job.
And by accident, he made me indestructible.
I went to this crazy store. I met a pretty interesting guy.
I'm gonna blow your mind. Now I protect the good citizens of Swellview. Who call me?
And he turned out to be...
You know the name.
Captain Man!
That's right, Henry. In time, I realized that being a superhero is a lot to handle alone.
You wanted some help.
I needed a sidekick.
I, Henry Hart,
Pledge to never, ever, ever tell anyone
that I'm Captain Man's secret sidekick.
It is done.
Now we blow bubbles.
And fight crime.
Feels good.